When we left you last week, we told you we had some huge news, and here it is.
But first, a little backstory. Back in 2020, we sold our cars and got a truck and a trailer to go camping in. It was a beautiful Riverside Retro trailer, and we loved it. We used to call her Ruby the Retro Trailer.
Yes, Ruby! I forgot about that.
That's right. After that, we decided to trade her in for a bigger and better Sonoma by Forest River, and we loved the Sonoma. That was Sunny the Sonoma.
So Ruby the Retro was, what, 16 feet?
Oh, it's 23 and a half feet.
23 and a half feet. And then we went up to 32 feet with the Sonoma with a slide out.
Yes, it had a huge slide, and it was beautiful. We loved that. But things changed for us. We started loving trailer life so much, and we've always wanted to spend more time in our trailer. So we looked to see if we could find a trailer that would fit our needs better.
Right, and if you watched our review of the Grand Design 2670 MK, you'll know that we bought a Grand Design, imagine, 2670 MK. And I'll put the link up to that review because
it was in
May of last year, 2021.
Right, and at that point, we were formulating a plan to spend a lot more time in the trailer. And we knew that was going to be in a couple of years' time, or maybe a year or two. We weren't sure.
So what I did was I sat down and worked out what we could afford, when could Kevin retire. I was already pretty much working from home anyway, and we set a plan, and it was 18 months out.
Right.
No,
today,
it was a year out.
No, it was a year out.
It was a year out. 6
months ago, approximately, I notified my company that I would be retiring. And since then, I've retired.
I think you guys probably know what's coming by now.
Well,
should we say it together?
Okay. We
sold everything
and we're going to live
full
time
in this rig.
Yeah. What do you think about that? Wow. Crazy, right?
I just can't stop grinning from ear to ear. We talked in our last episode, what will that mean for us? What does it mean for the channel? And what does it mean for you? So to answer those three questions, what it means for us, we will be traveling. We have a tentative plan on our first season, as it were. We will be going from California over to the East Coast. We have family over on the East Coast, so we are literally going across country from one far side to the other and taking you along with us.
And since you know that I love NASCAR, I still have my tickets for the Phoenix Final in November, which means we're going to be back on the West Coast to Arizona. Not all the way to the coast, but to Arizona.
Right. What does it mean for the channel? If you have subscribed to us because you loved our hiking videos, we will still be hiking. Will we still be backpacking?
Yes, because I love to go backpacking and sleep on the ground and cowboy camp without a tent.
So we've not sold all of our camping equipment. We do plan to take that with us. And then what does it mean to you? If you joined us because you like our hiking, we will still be doing that. If you just joined us because maybe you liked our days out, our hikes with uni, our reviews and that kind of stuff, all of that content will remain the same.
But if you love visiting national parks and state parks and state beaches and national monuments and
big cities,
little cities,
and new people, then come along with us. We cannot wait. However, the name will change. Right now, obviously, we are Wilderness Wanderers. And that made a lot of sense when we did all of our hiking in the wilderness or on the odd day out. It didn't really make sense, we thought, to be on the road. So we are changing the name of the channel. The channel will be called Where They Wander. So not too different. So that will, if you follow us on social media, our Instagram will also change and so will our Facebook. Plus, we are going to have a website, wheretheywander.com. And I will put up all the links. Now, that being said, we are not going to start this right away. We are going to take a couple of weeks off.
We are busy right now.
Very busy.
In the transition from Sticks and Bricks to our rolling house.
Our rolling new home,
That's
yes. We have a lot of things to do. We're going to be doing an estate sale. We're going to be sorting out our documents and so on and so forth. And we also want to get this rig ready for us to live in. We have already done quite a few modifications to the rig, and our first video is going to be showing you exactly what we have done to this beautiful rig to make it more a home and less of a weekend getaway. So that will be our first video, but we are going to take 2 weeks off. The other thing that's changing is our stickers. We have new stickers. They're going to be the Where They Wonder stickers. I'll give it to Vanna here to look at. If you would like a new sticker, if you are one of our current subscribers, all you need to do is like the video, comment down below that you would like a sticker, and we will message you and you can tell us where you would like the sticker. But you must like the video and you must comment below. If you are not a subscriber and you would like a sticker and you would like to subscribe, please like and subscribe. Comment below, and again, we'll send you a sticker for free. Yay!
And after that, these are going to be on the website for purchase.
Kevin's quite right. We will have a store. We're going to have a store that's going to basically be all of the things that we use, that we know we like, that we know work, and that we would recommend. That's our big news. We're going to go full-time in our rig. We hope you've enjoyed this video. It is short and sweet. We will see you in 2 weeks.
Until then, we'll see you on the trail.